The Yamaha VMAX has been a beloved motorcycle for over 3 decades, known for its powerful V4 engine and unique styling. For the year 2023 model, Yamaha has taken the VMAX to the next level with the introduction of the VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters as the latest model. This new model is the most powerful and technologically advanced VMAX yet. With a larger engine size and state-of-the-art features that make it a true standout in the motorcycle world. Let's start with the engine. The 1700 cubic centimeters V4 engine is a work of art, delivering jaw-dropping power and torque that will leave riders breathless. With a maximum power output of over 200 horsepower and 123 lb-ft of torque, the VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters is a true beast on the road. But power isn't everything, and Yamaha has made sure to equip the VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters with the latest technology to ensure a safe and enjoyable ride. The bike features ride-by-wire throttle, which provides precise control and a smoother riding experience. It also comes with traction control, which helps riders maintain traction on slippery roads. The VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters also has an updated suspension system, which includes fully adjustable front forks and rear shock absorbers. This allows riders to fine-tune the bike to their preferred riding style, whether they're cruising down the highway or carving up winding roads. Of course, the VMAX is also known for its iconic styling, and the 2023 model does not disappoint. The bike has a muscular, aggressive look that is sure to turn heads on the road. It also has LED lighting throughout, including the headlight, tail light, and turn signals. Overall, the 2023 Yamaha VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters is a truly impressive machine. It combines the classic power and style of the VMAX with cutting-edge technology and features that make it a top contender in the motorcycle market. If you're in the market for a bike that is sure to make a statement, the VMAX 1700 cubic centimeters is definitely worth a look.